Good morning, gentlemen. You will notice on your report card that all three of you have a course called ACT Test Prep. You guys have been working pretty good in Reading Plus. Not so well in SHMOOP and ACIT, but you guys are doing pretty good in the Reading Plus. But I wanted to share this with you. You guys all have this in your email this morning. I went through and checked and graded everything that you've done so far in Reading Plus and ACIT and SHMOOP and updated your grades for what you'll get for the semester if it were to end right now. So let me kind of explain how this works. I don't necessarily expect you to go through all of these weeks and do all of this. Like I said, you guys have done a lot of this Reading Plus already, and I've already updated it in your Google Sheet that I shared with you this morning. But you'll notice that since Reading Plus and ACIT are Epic Essentials, they only count for one assignment. The most bang for your buck is going to be listening to these podcasts and doing these SHMOOPs. And I know that the SHMOOPs drills are really hard to find when you do SHMOOP. But this has made it very easy for you. All you have to do is click these links in the SHMOOP boxes here, and it will take you directly to it. And then you can either let me know that you finished it, or you can put your own grade in this box right here, and then click over here to check to say that you completed it. When you complete it, let me do it. I use Bradley's real fast. So when you complete a SHMOOP drill, like I said, you'll put the grade in over here, and then you'll come over here, and you will click this box to say that you completed it, and it will add to how many you completed. So like if we completed all of these, you'll see that that number goes way up. You are required to get a 100 or to get full pacing for your ACT prep course on the Epic Gradebook. This number right here, the 19 for Mrs. Bradley, you need to have this number needs to be at a 48. So you'll see that these SHMOOP drills that have, you guys know, have like 5 or 6 questions. They don't take that long. Those count for one apiece instead of having to do a bunch of Reading Plus just to count for towards one assignment. So you'll see your total grade down here. If I were to end today, this would not be a good grade for you because you've only completed 40% of the course and you've got a 60. So it would be 40% of 60, which would be like a 20 in this assignment course. So these courses are kind of like electives for you. It should be an easy grade. Like I said, I've shared this sheet with each of you. You each have your own. Like I said, you can either let me know when you finish these SHMOOP things to get to your 48, or you can put them in so that you can kind of keep track of your grade if you want to do that as well. There's also links to your ACIT classrooms as well. So lots of easy ways to get to that big number 48 down here. It's not going to work for me this morning. Lots of easy ways, but this number needs to be 48 before the end of the semester, which is totally something you can do after Christmas, but I just wanted to give you that option so that you have less work to do. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Have a good day.